Hey guys, today we're going to run you through another F350 build out of the shed. This one is another special one for a bit of a repeat customer, good friend of ours. You may know him, you may not. Greg from Making Tracks. We've got a 2025 F350 Platinum Plus in the carbon grey with Norweld and absolutely everything else thrown at it. Speak of the devil, here he is.
Just had to get you a hat, mate.
Oh, g'day, mate. Yeah, nah, this is not me. Nah, get rid of that. How are you?
Thanks, mate.
Right, mate, let's go have a look at the new truck.
Check it out, eh?
Right, mate, before we get stuck into this amazing build, you've had a few builds through EC now. We've been mates for a little while. Started off with the GMC with a big lift.
Yep.
Put the canopy on that, into the Chevy with no canopy.
Yep.
That was more of a tow pig for that new boat, wasn't it?
Yep.
Into the 79, which is a bit of a work rig.
Correct.
Now we're into the Ford. So you hit the dark side. I've been at you for a while. You've got to get an F truck. You've got to get an F truck.
Yep.
You know, we've got maximum power, maximum GVM. Damn, it looks good.
Couldn't be happier with the finished result, you know, like it's obviously, yeah, first F truck, but have a go at it.
Yeah. I know you just picked it up yesterday. We're out here on location at your amazing property. But yeah, let's get stuck into it. Righto guys, starting at the front of this 2025 F350 Platinum Plus. So it's the first Platinum Plus through the workshop. As you can see, the carbonized gray, Super Duty. We've added the 3D little sticker in there to make that really pop because it's a real Super Duty, not like those other new ones that have just come out. The Platinums come with the blackout. The Platinum Plus actually comes with like a shadow chrome. So we've got it in the paint booth. We've blacked out the grille and the badge, added a bit of body color through the Ford. Moving down, as you can see, we haven't gone for the full replacement front bar or any of those pre-runner bars, just keeping it really clean. Laser lamps. So the full package on this truck. Greg's had laser lamps in the last couple of trucks. He loves them, we love them. So the Sentinel 7 inches, there's 5 on there with the factory aftermarket bar straight out of the US and the hidden winch bracket. So we've actually made this hidden winch. This is an EC product, 15,000 pound carbon winch in there. Again, maintaining that factory look and adding some awesome style on the front with those laser lamps. Moving around the side of the truck, kicking the cow putties out the way. Up here we've got the laser lamp ditch lights, which is pretty cool. That's a first for Greg. Moving down, 2-inch bushwhacker flare, color coded up. Wheels and tires on this beast. Again, Greg's had fuels on the last few trucks, so we've stuck with what he knows. He knows they work. Fuel catalyst in the 20-inch. Fuel gripper tires as well, so fuel, 37, 13.5, 20s. Fuel gripper MTs, and of course the suspension. So he's finally been able to get liquid spring. He's seen I've had it for the last few years. Liquid spring, 4-inch ride height kit. Obviously it lowers down to 0, comes up to 8-inch, true earth leveling. He's only just picked the truck up yesterday. He's already called me up and said how good it is. So can't wait to hear how much he's really gonna enjoy this liquid spring kit. Moving back, our EC mud flaps, being a platinum, it comes with the drop-down side steps from factory. Up on the roof, of course, haven't gone with our rack this time. We've gone with the Rhino Rack backbone and platform. It is looking awesome. Again, Rhino Rack have so many options. You can get attachments in just about every shop in Australia. See the rod holder brackets on the side, the Max Tracks up top, and of course, Starlink and the laser lights up top. Work lights either side. These look like the little 6-inch Elites. Let's have a look in the rear, it's pretty cool. Righto guys, moving to the rear of this F350. As you can see, how good does it look? The full Norweld package. Their new Elite tray, it really matches into the Platinum Plus of this truck with the shadow chrome flowing back to the chrome in the Norweld. Let's open him up and have a look at what's in here. Bang, so this one came to us with an empty canopy. Greg, being a cabinet maker himself, he's done a bit of fit out himself, and I probably haven't seen a better one yet. We've done the power for him. We've done a heap of other bits and pieces through the canopy and a drive package on this one, 600 amp hours with lithium. So plenty of power to the 2 300 amp hour Energize batteries, the 3000 watt combi multi-plus unit, all monitored on the Submarine. Again, Greg's had this in the last few trucks. He knows it works, so we've gone with the same. We've got 12 volt, our switching, the upright fridge, heaps of storage, massive table, the Pi Walmart travel buddy up there, some 240 outputs, and just a bulk load of storage. Moving down on the Norweld, something pretty special in here. The new Morphlate twin compressor. Got the digital gauge on there, and obviously the Apex hose reel. Pull it out, hook it on, it's fully automatic, gets to the pressure that you need, making it super simple to air up. Just loving the color code in this new Norweld. Up top, again, Bush Company all around, the twin 180s. Greg's gone with the 360. He's made a bit of an infill, so 2 180s, and he's cheated a little bit and made it full 360 awning. So that's pretty cool. Again, Greg's had Bush Company on the last few. We love it. It's definitely the best. The AX27 tent up top. Let's have a look at the rear. Right at the rear of the F350, starting up top, obviously, as we said, the Bush Company package, the twin laser work lights up there for reversing and pulling up at camp. Single tire with the jerry can, the ladder that flips down, massive trundle drawer that pulls out of there. The infill with everything he needs for his caravan, cameras, Andersons, everything we need. Of course, being an ATA truck, 6 ton of towing on the tow bar, so unbeatable. Okay, coming around to the driver's side of the truck, let's have a look in the Norweld. Geez, it looks good what he's done here. 40 litre, Evercool, fridge freezer. So that one's for the beers, that one's for the food. Well, that's how I run it anyway. EcoX soundbar, lights all around. There's our Energive stuff. So we've got twin DC-DC chargers. Being an F truck, we've got massive alternators up to 400 amp hours. So 100 amp hours of DC-DC plus the solar. The big inverter charger at 3 kilowatt and just a bulk load of storage. Righto, let me jump in. Wow, this is the Platinum Plus. This was actually one of the first we've seen in Australia. Obviously, the F trucks used to have the Limited and then they went down to a Platinum. They scrapped the Limited, they went to a Platinum and the Platinum Plus. It's pretty much the new Limited. They've added a few more features. These seats are amazing. It's called a smoked truffle interior. It's all diamond stitch, massage seats. I don't think Greg's gonna know what to do with himself out here on the farm when he's rolling around getting massages. Well, what have we done in here? Well, not much because they come with absolutely everything. Safety Dave camera up here for the caravan camera and the camera on the rear of the canopy. GME UHF, so we can talk to all the road trains out here on the bloody highway. Down here, we've got the liquid spring screen. So this is gonna have 3 different ride heights, sport, normal, and comfort. So if you're towing heavy loads or you got the tent, everything on the back, you might want to go into sport. It's going to stiffen up the rate valves a little bit if you're going on windy roads. If you've got no load on, you're going to comfort. Just that little bit nicer ride. Now, obviously the height differences, we can go up to 8 inches. We can lower the front, lower the rear if we want to hook up to our caravan and lower it all the way down if we're using the kitchen. And of course, the true earth levelings up to 4 to 5 degrees. On the pitch and the roll, we can level this truck. It doesn't matter if we pull up at camp on a hill, we can press level and use the kitchen and canopy and tent. Absolutely insane. I've only got the Platinum. This Platinum Plus is insane. I might have to look at getting one soon. Okay guys, also this truck, as you can see, it's pretty much fully set up for touring. Jump in and go whether you're going for a year or a weekend. This truck is ready to go. Currently sitting still, it has over 1 ton payload, being an F350, but just under 6 ton of GVM with the liquid spring N37s, fully compliant and fully legal. We put the S&B fuel tank in, so over 200 litres of diesel. Okay guys, that's a wrap of this awesome build and number 4 through the shop for Greg and Making Tracks. Process started probably close to a year ago, coming in and ordering the truck through American Trucks Australia, handing it over to EC Off-Road, making it that full turnkey package, one-stop shop, the whole process, super simple. F350 Platinum Plus with the Norweld, is there any better?